Hi, I'm Miss Allison. I'm from the Cecil County Public Library, and I'm a children's librarian at the Elkton Central Branch. Today, I want to do a science experiment with you. So it's called the egg drop. Here are a few things you're going to need before we start. One, you're going to need a glass of water. I'm going to set that right there. Then you're going to need a pie pan. So you can use a pie pan like this or a metal one. Both will work. And you're going to put it right there. Then you're going to need a toilet paper tube. So you can also use a paper towel tube cut in half. I'm going to place that here. Last, you're going to need a raw egg. Now I have to tell you this, after this experiment, I need you to wash your hands. Raw eggs can carry bacteria and you don't want that on your hands. So wash those hands after this is done, okay? So you're gonna place this egg right here. Now, the trick to this is we are going to want this egg to go into this cup of water. And hopefully it'll work using Sir Isaac Newton's first law of motion, which means that objects in motion will stay in motion, objects at rest will stay at rest unless a force is acted upon them. So our force that we're going to be using is our hand, and we're going to be knocking away this pie pan, and that gravity will pull the egg down into the water. A few things before we go ahead and do the experiment. Number one, you might want to have some paper towels on hand because if it does go into the water, it's going to make a splash. Okay, so you're going to need some paper towels. Number two, when you are knocking the pie pan, do not knock your hand like this. Woo! Because that will send the pie pan and the egg and everything all through your kitchen. You don't want that to happen either. So are you ready? Let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Success! That was great. So, different ways that you can make this experiment a little harder. You can use a full paper towel tube, so that means the egg will have further down to drop. You can try different size glasses, and you can also try different size eggs. Do smaller eggs work better than large eggs? I don't know. You'll have to try. So I hope that you enjoyed this just as much as I did, and I'd love to see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye.